Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a new subscription box. I never boxed this subscription box before, and this is from the Kweenbox. If you want to know about this subscription box and if you want to see what's inside here, just keep on watching. Start lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing a new subscription box. I never unboxed this subscription box before, and this is from the Kweenbox. So it came with this box, just a plain simple box, and it says Kweenbox in here. So this subscription box, it is not a monthly, it's not a monthly subscription box, but it came every 3 months. So this one is their May box, so the next one will be in August, and it costs £25 a month, including the shipping fee. And as I'm new here, I'm new with this subscription box, we will see together what's inside. I think this subscription box is new, and I never heard from this subscription box before. So yes, let's open it. The delivery was really quick, like in less than a week, I think. I received this box. I received this box like yesterday or the other day, but I didn't have time to film it because, as you know, I work full-time too, and I'm a full-time mom too. So yes, so let's open this box. So yeah, let's open it. Oh, inside so nice. They really do it neatly, really nice. And we have as like a leaflet here. It says just a little note to say thank you, and it says, Kweenbox, this month we included 8 wonderful products for you to enjoy. We also included a few extra treats we're sure you will love. We love to see your unboxing, so please don't forget to tag us with hashtag Kweenbox. And then we have the list of the products inside, which is a thumbs up with all the prices and description. So let's see. We have, if I can show you lovelies, we have the ribbon, and then we have the gold tissue paper here, and let's open it. So excited for this one. Oh, this box is packed, like loads of items inside, and it smells gorgeous. So the first one we have here, and this is from Kiko Cosmetics, and this is the Shine Refined Papers powdered mattifying bloating sheet mask combination to oily skin. This is not my skin type, but Kiko Cosmetics, I tried their makeup before, and I really do like it, like their lipsticks. They are really good. The eyeliner too, the pencil liner, but I'm not fan of their foundation. So yeah, we have the bloating sheet in here, and I think this is a full size. We'll see on the leaflet. So this one, it's retail for £6.99, and it says, this bloating paper mattifying the face, especially the T-zone, absorb excess oil and help your makeup last longer. A dusting of powder accentuates your makeup and prolong its hold. Practical for taking with you everywhere for quick touch up. As you know, I really have dry skin on winter when the weather is so cold, but usually on summer when the humidity is so high, like it's summer, like hot weather, I usually have a combination skin. I usually have a T-zone oily one, not very oily but quite oily, so I'll definitely use this one when in summer. And then the next one we have here, and this is so cute. I think it is a little keychain, and you wanna open it, like ruin the packaging. It's so lovely. It's a crown, golden crown, so gorgeous. I think this is a freebie one when you subscribe, I don't know, but it's so gorgeous. I love this one. Definitely I will use it. And then we have here, oh, I have this product in my collection and I'm trying it at the moment, and this is from Revolution Rose Hip Regeneration Essence Spray. It's really a nice product. Definitely it makes my makeup throughout the day. It smells nice, doesn't have very overpowering smell, but it smells gorgeous. And this one is a full size, and it says Rose Hip Regenerating Essence Spray with citrus oil extract. It has 100 ml. And this one, so I think this is the freebie one, because I think if you subscribe now, you will receive 2 free items. So I think this is one of them, because it's not on the list. All in bubble wrap, as you can see, they really wrap properly. I had this one before, but it's in a mini size, and I think it's in the different scent too. Ooh, so this is the strawberry one, and this is the sugar scrub strawberry, 200 grams. So this is a full size. Let's see inside, let's smell it. Oh, it smells gorgeous, so sweet, but it's not very sweet. Oh, I love the smell. Definitely can't wait to try this one. And it's in the full size, and I really like the texture of it. It's like mousse. Smells gorgeous, love this. And this one, you either receive this one or the Bubble Tea Cosmetic Donut Bath Bomb Set. I'm definitely so happy to receive this one here. It says Shea Bliss Skin Foaming Scrub are specifically made to leave your skin feeling flawless and fresh. It can be used all over your body as a wonderful exfoliator and is perfect for removing dead skin cells. And it smells gorgeous. And then we have here, I think this is the other freebie one when you subscribe. And this is from Bubble Tea Hibiscus Acai Berry Tea Restoring Hand Cream. This is a full size. It has 100 ml. Let me smell this one. Oh, it smells berry. Smells gorgeous, lovely. Love the smell. And this is a freebie one, I think. And then we have from Coco Honey Cosmetics. I never heard from this brand before. And it's a lip liner in the shade Lana. So here we go, and here's the shade. Oh, very soft, and it's very pigmented too. This is the shade, and this one, it says that it's rated for £3.10, and it says provide precise definition and essential addition to any beauty collection. You will receive either one of the shade Passion or Lana. So I received the Lana one. I would love to try it, but I have my lipstick on at the moment, so yes, definitely I will try it. And it's a gorgeous nude shade, perfect for everyday too. I usually use this kind of shade, even though I use very red lipstick. I usually use this kind of shade, so I can do just the outer part, so I can go out with my red lipstick, liquid red lipstick. So yes, definitely I will use it. And then we have from Aronze Cosmetics. Never heard from this brand before, and this is in the shade Hot Chocolate. Here we go. It's a nudie one, perfect for everyday brownie nudie shade. I'll definitely use this one. So you either receive a Kiko Cosmetics Shiny Lip Style lipstick, which is £9.99, or this Aronze Cosmetic Matte Lip Color, which is £12.99. It's rated for £12.99, and it says, so this is the perfect nude with the long-lasting formula. So can't wait to try. As I said, I never tried from this brand before, but can't wait to try it. And then we have, I think this is another freebie one, and this is from Ted Baker, the body wash. I love this product, love this. If you never tried Ted Baker before, I highly recommend their body wash. It smells florally. Sometimes they are quite overpowering, but once you blend it all over your body, it smells gorgeous. I love this one, and this is a full size. It has 200 ml, so definitely I'm so glad to receive it here. And then we have from Evolve Fruit Bites, and this is the strawberry and blueberry one, and I think this is a freebie one, and it's rated for £1.35, and it says satisfying your cravings with these delicious freeze dried fruit snack bites. They are the perfect healthy snack, just under 50 calories, and are also naturally high in fiber. They are vegan and great for diabetics or those looking for healthy alternatives. Here we go. And then we have from Ane Cleanse Polish Glow, 100% organic cotton, muslin, and microfiber double-sided face cloth. And inside, lovelies, you have 3-pack, not just 1 but 3. So this is a full size, and says, through an effective cleansing is the cornerstone of a good skincare routine. To get to the best cleansing result, include the Ane double-sided face cloth to help deep cleanse and gently polish to reveal soft, smooth, and glowy skin. Perfectly prepared for the next step in your routine. It's like a facial at home and the perfect companion to the Ane Radiance Reveal Cleansing Balm. So let's open it. So it looks like this, lovelies. Face cloth one. This one is more like this type of material, and the other side is the smooth one. And yeah, it's very soft. I can't wait to try this one. And this one, lovelies, it's retail for £16.95, and it says this multi-pack includes 3 large washable and reusable cleansing cloths, each with its own handy loop hook for drying. On one side, the 100% organic textured cotton muslin cleanses pores, gently polishes dull and congested skin, and boosts circulation to enhance skin tone. On the reverse of the soft and smooth microfiber cloth wipes away makeup and impurities to reveal a brighter, smoother, and clearer complexion. Please use the microfiber side around the eye area. The cloths are suitable for sensitive skin and is brilliant for teenage skin and babies. Ooh. And then the last one we have here, and it looks like this gorgeous one. And it says, welcome to our tribe, Coco Honey Cosmetics, with like a card, and thank you for choosing us. We hope you fall in love. And then we have the magnetic. Oh, this is a nice shadow, lovelies. That's why it's in bubble wrap. Let's open it. The packaging, it's gorgeous, lovelies. It's really gorgeous. It says magnetic by Coco Honey, and those eyes, very gorgeous one. In the inside packaging, it's the same one, and I really do like when it's like that, because I always throw the outer packaging. And yes, here we go, the palette, and inside, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. We have, let me take off the plastic side. We have a big mirror here, but I won't show you because I don't want to blind you, lovelies. But here is all the shade. Look, those glitters, like a pressed glitters. Very nude one, perfect for me. And there's also purple one. Look at this gold. Really gorgeous one. Definitely I will try this one. And yes, that's all for this unboxing. And let's do a recap, lovelies, because we receive a loads of product in here. So we have the magnetic by Coco Honey eyeshadow palette. I never heard from this brand before, curious to try. And we have also from this brand the lip liner in the shade Lana, perfect shade for everyday. So yes, we have the eyeshadow palette, we have also the lip liner, and then we have also here from Ane, I really hope I pronounce it properly, which is the double-sided face cloth. Very handy anytime. And yes, and then we have, that's included in the bag, sugar scrub strawberry. Smells gorgeous, can't wait to use that one. And then we have also the from Aronce Cosmetics, the matte liquid lipstick in the shade hot chocolate, perfect nude for everyday brown liquid lipstick. And then we have also the Kiko Cosmetics powder mattifying bloating papers. I think this is the only one I won't use, but yes, I will still try to use this one on summer when we have a like a combination skin. But yes, and then we have the kitchen one, which is the love the kitchen golden crown. I love it. And then we have the Evolve freeze-dried fruit bites strawberry and blueberry one, and I think that's the included in the box. And these all three are freebie one when you subscribe. And I got the blue tea, hibiscus, and acai berry tea one, which is 100 ml. I'm not sure if it will be the same products in every box, but yes, I received these items. And then we have the Ted Baker London, the body wash peony spritz. This is one of my favorite scent from Ted Baker, the pink one and the white one. And then the Revolution Rose Hip Regenerating Essence Spray. So yes, that's all, lovelies. And overall, for 25 pounds, this is really a good bargain in my opinion. There's some products I never heard before, so that's the one that I like from subscription boxes, lovelies. New products, new brands that I never heard before, and I'm really curious to try. So yes, and overall, as I said, 25 pounds for all of these products. It's really a good bargain, and I think we receive all full size item. And if you want to subscribe to the subscription box, as always, I will leave in the description box below the link, everything. And yes, and you lovelies, what do you think of this box? I heard this subscription box before, lovelies, because one of you suggested on the comment below. So I was really curious and I went there to check them out. So yes, I decided to purchase this one. So thank you so much whoever suggested this subscription box. So yes, and you lovelies, what do you think of this subscription box? Let me know in the comment below. And also, lovelies, I decided to subscribe to the subscription box because it's not really that heavy in my pocket at the moment, because 25 pounds every 3 months, it's doable at the moment. So yes, I think I will continue with the subscription box and can't wait to receive the August box. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you on my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.